want to play.
Right.
And well, he does not want to watch the video, so he just busted it out. So I just have to do his moves.
Okay.
Because I'm on the blue team.
The bat is there, the ball is ready, and Drew is set. Okay. Whoa! What a shot!
And when the goal is up there, it has to have stealing.
Good steal, Drew.
He's good up there.
Okay.
He's being safe.
Good.
He's walking up there.
Okay.
Lucky man.
Are you ready? Ready. Missed. Ready. Go! Go to second base, Drew. Okay, now it's Drew's turn to bat.
No, Dad, no. It's still up to you. Dad. Dad. It's still up to you.
Okay. Go, 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 go. To third base.
Open.
Okay.
Oops.
Who's it up to now? Me or you?
It's up to you.
It's up to
Now.
you.
See, kid, it's going for what? Woo-hoo! Go, 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 go. Go, cat, go. That will go.
That will work. Hey, you got first.
Stop, 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 oh.
Come on to home.
No, I have to stay here for home base.
Okay, come to home plate. Here he comes. It's Drew Finnegan. He's so fast. Safe. Okay, everybody, look out. Here he comes. Go.
I think I'll be better if I hit with my hands.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna do it this way.
I know. You used the wrong end of that. There you go. Now I'm... Coach. Now batting. Drew Finnegan.
Now I'm like that.
I don't think this is very funny.